Having some frightfully festive Halloween fun, Hilton at Island Elementary School is celebrating Book-O-Ween. Students are taking part in a spook-tacular array of activities, all designed to inspire a love for reading. Kids dressed up as their favorite book characters and paraded through the hallways, showing off their unbelievably creative costumes.
I'm Roz from The Wild Robot. What I like about The Wild Robot is that it's a robot who learns how to care and has emotions even though she's a robot. I am Peter Cat, and it's because I like these books. Peter Cat with a bad banana, because it has a banana and a monkey.
I chose The Destruction of Pompeii because I Survive a lot, and I thought it'd be cool to dress up as a Roman soldier.
Several invited guests from the community, including some teacher cadets from Hilton at Island High School, are in the classrooms reading some hair-raising Halloween stories to the children.
I give mine a creepy mouth and lots of teeth. I think it's really important for children to read at a young age because it's important for them to understand their surroundings, and literature is such a big part of life. Even if everything's online, it's still very important to get to those roots and stuff like that, because in anything, you're gonna have to read at some point. And I did this because, well, one, I'm doing teacher cadet and I love helping out with kids and stuff like that, and I just think it's so nice to see all their happy faces crowding around the rug, and it's just a very good experience for everyone to kind of come together and have a good time on a holiday.
Rolled out of sight.
This is the third year the school has hosted the Book-O-Ween event at Hilton at Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.